Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to get tinytask on your mobile phone. Now first of all, open any of your browser, either Chrome or whatever browser you're using. And once you open the browser, just go onto Google and write down here tinytask APK. And once you write down, it will load like this in front of you. So make sure to go to the second website, which is tiny like APK pure tinytask APK for Android download. So you can also go on this one like tinytask softonic website. That is for the PC version, as you can see, free Windows. But if you're looking for the APK for your mobile phone, so just go to this website apkpure.com. Just open this link, and once you open the link, you will see the tinytask application like this. So just scroll down and click on download APK. Once you click here, it will start downloading automatically, or it might take few seconds, so don't worry. And once it start downloading, it will be simply added inside your like mobile phone. Just click on continue to download or download APK from let me just go back, and here is basically the direct download link, download APK. Just click on this and it will start downloading. As you can see, like it has started downloading. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can download it and install it inside your Android mobile phone. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.